In this quick video, I will show you how to sell USDT on Binance P2P step by step. So the first step is to go to Binance.com and then log in. Once you have logged in, make sure that you have your funds in funding wallet. You can see it here. So make sure that you have your USDT in funding wallet and then go to trade here, click P2P and then click the sell tab, click USDT and then choose your fiat, for example USD. Click here and then choose your payment method, for example Wise. And now you can choose your merchant. You can see the information of your merchant by clicking here. So you should take note about the pay time. The shorter the pay time, the faster you will sell your USDT. And then go back here. So for example, I will select this merchant. I will click sell USDT here and then type the amount of USDT you want to sell, for example 500 USDT, and then choose your payment method. So you can choose your payment method here and then set your payment method if you haven't set your payment method yet. And then once you have typed down the amount of USDT you want to sell and selected your payment method, click sell USDT here and then wait for the buyer to buy your USDT. And if you have any questions about how to sell USDT on Binance P2P, leave a comment below.